Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm your NCLEX Tutor, Annalise Garrison, and today we're going to talk about respiratory sounds for the NCLEX. Now I have another video with a lot of sounds, but this is just going to focus on sounds that were found on the NCLEX, and I'll link my other video at the end of this presentation. So let's talk about it after these few words. There are three normal breath sounds that you need to know for the NCLEX. Vesicular breath sounds are heard throughout most of the lung field. They are a soft, blowing sound. Let's listen to vesicular breath sounds. The second normal breath sound we want to listen to is the bronchial sound, and this is heard over the trachea and the larynx and is more prominent upon expiration. Let's listen to the bronchial sound. The third and final normal breath sound we want to discuss is bronchovesicular. This is heard on posterior chest, between the scapula and in the middle of the anterior chest. So it's heard between the scapula and the back and in the middle of the anterior chest. It's softer than bronchial breath sounds. Let's listen to bronchovesicular sounds. This brings us to the end of normal breath sounds. Now I want to teach you some abnormal breath sounds that were on the NCLEX. Now that we've learned about normal breath sounds, let's turn our attention to abnormal breath sounds. First, let us look at wheezes, or rhonchi as we call them. This is caused by narrowed airways due to bronchospasms or secretions. If you hear high-pitched whistling sounds caused by passage of air in the narrowed airways, this would be Sibulant Rhonchi. Let's listen to Sibulant Rhonchi now. Rhonchi is a lower pitch and has a snoring sound, then it's called Sonorous Rhonchi. Let's listen to Sonorous Rhonchi now. The next abnormal breath sound I want to teach you about is crackles, or as we call them, Rales. These sounds are caused because there is fluid in the airways. There are two types of crackles, or Rales. There are fine crackles, which are high-pitched sounds, and they sound like rolling hair if you take your fingers and roll your hair in your fingers next to your ear. That's what fine crackles sound like. Let's take a listen. Then we have coarse crackles. These crackles are louder, low-pitched, and last longer, like opening Velcro. Let's take a listen. The next abnormal breath sound I want to talk about is stridor. Stridor is caused by airway obstruction, for example, croup. High-pitched, harsh sounds are heard during inspiration. This would be an emergency due to respiratory distress. Let's take a listen to stridor. The last and final abnormal breath sound you need to know for the NCLEX is pleural friction rub. This is caused by inflammation of the pleural membranes, for example, when you have pleuritis. This is a rubbing sound of inflamed pleural surfaces that causes pain during breathing. Let's listen to pleural friction rub. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's all the sounds you need to know for the NCLEX. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.